support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hi, I'm Danielle with PLUGHITZ Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here at CES 2023, and I'm currently at the ADT booth, and we're looking into how to have a safer home. So, hi, can you please introduce yourself for me?
Hi, I'm Maria Landrow. I work in our product marketing department.
So, what do you guys have here that you're trying to focus on in CES 2023?
So I think we have everything, depending on where you live. If you have a small apartment or a large home, we can help you keep you safer and give you the right products to keep you safer. Also, if you want to install it yourself or you want someone there to help you install your products, we're able to provide that. So we know everyone's life and routines are different, so we have a solution for you.
So you're mentioning some products that will keep us safer. What kind of range of those products, what are they exactly, and how can they keep us safe?
So we have from core security systems to your sensors, your door and window sensors that are going to prevent people from breaking in or alert you if someone is breaking in. Water sensors for water damage. That's a huge, huge issue and lots of money if anything happens. Motion sensing to our latest and greatest technology with Google with our cameras and doorbells. So we have an array. We also even have a Wi-Fi solution to make sure your cameras and doorbells stay connected because you don't want to miss a thing, especially if something's going wrong.
Exactly. So are all of these devices, they're all smart devices. How do they connect and how am I alerted?
So they all now that we just launched the ADT Plus App, so they will all connect to ADT, all your smart home devices, your security devices, and the Google thermostats, cameras, and doorbell will all be in one app. So you'll be alerted and be able to take action, whatever action you need to take, all in one app.
All right. So what are the capabilities of this newly launched app?
Cool. So we can now link all these Google devices, so you're able to get all the alerts. For example, if someone comes to your home, you can know if it's a pet, if it's a person, if it's someone left you a package at your door, you're able to get alerted quickly, so you can really then unlock your door. You also can create routines within the app, so every morning your light goes on, at night your lights go off, whatever you want, you're able to configure in the ADT Plus app to make your home safer.
So these are all connected within Google, and you guys have been affiliated with Google for about 3 years, correct?
Yeah, 3 years. We've been in the partnership. We've launched some integrations, and we just launched the integration with the ADT Plus app. So the video cameras and the doorbell now work in the ADT Plus app.
So for all these devices, I know some people aren't quite as techy. Do I install them myself, or is there someone to install them for me? How does that work?
So great question. Some people don't want someone to be in their home. Some people want them to do everything. Some people have a huge house and don't know how many devices they need. So we give all those options available. We can send you and you install it yourself. If you run into issues, always can call us, or we will have someone come and customize your home and install all the products for you, and you don't have to do anything.
So does that also work with if I need some sort of maintenance, if something goes wrong, if batteries die, does that work with that as well?
Correct. We're always here for you. ADT is always there, and that's probably one of the greatest things about ADT. We'll either send someone over, or you can give us a call and we'll walk you through the issue.
What is your personal favorite feature on any of these products, or even just everything as a smart home together?
So the new cameras we launched, the new cameras that Google devices that I can see through ADT Plus app gives me alert. Like when there's a person, a package, I can tag people so I know exactly who's coming in my door. So all those analytics that just gives me right away an alert of who it is or what it is. I love that.
So let's go back into the tagging. So you can tag based on facial recognition on your cameras?
Yeah, so I can tag my husband, and so every time my husband comes, the video camera sees my husband, I will get a notification that he's at the front door. So I already know who it is.
Yeah, I can also see that being a really good feature for children. When children come home from school and you're not home.
Yes, children, people walking the dog, just for people that you recognize right away, then you see that it's them and you don't have to worry.
Can it also recognize maybe clothing? So if I have an Amazon driver come, will it be able to recognize that?
Not clothing necessarily, but if you have an Amazon driver and they put a box on your doorstep, they'll recognize the package. So you'll get an alert that there's a package in front of your home, so you can either have someone pick it up or know it's nothing urgent, that you can come later and pick it up. So yeah.
And you mentioned before that it can recognize pets. So does that mean that you can have like a camera on your back door, and if your dog comes like to the door?
Yeah, it'll sense there's a pet and it will give you an alert.
That's awesome. Okay. So availability on everything. I know that you said that the app just launched this week.
Yes, this week the self-setup for people that want to do it themselves will be available for those customers. And then the Google products as well, they are already available for our ADT customers.
So based on price points, I know we talked about a range of options, but just for the protection and like the surveillance, what is that like?
So it can start from $19.99 to, if you have video, to $60 monitoring, your month-to-month monitoring. So it all just depends what services and products you get.
Is the application free to use?
You can download it for free, and then you will connect it to your monitoring service.
So if our viewers wanted to find out more information about each of these products and kind of like take a deeper dive, where can they go and how can they find out more?
So ADT.com, or they can obviously give us a call and we'll walk them through all the service and products that we have available.
Thank you so much for talking with me.
Thank you.
For continuing CES 2023 coverage, stay tuned to PLUGHITZLive.com/CES.